The reason I keep coming back to Superior Hair is because I find that they have a really great selection of blended shades. I've dealt with a lot of brands in the past where the colors fade quite quickly, but I find that I really get longevity with the actual color, so I'm not having to tone too much in between when I use Superior hair extensions.
With Superior, it's just the longness out of the hair we get too. Like my clients have had some of their hair for 12 months, even longer as well, which is great because the hair longevity is just amazing.
Superior have such a massive range of colours. The quality is always good. Coming down to the actual hair and to the actual tape that goes into the hair, it's always been fantastic to use.
I was using another hair extension brand for quite a few years, but I found there was a little bit of inconsistency with the quality of the hair and customer service. So I've stuck with Superior because everything has been consistent and the quality is amazing.
We have been using Superior hair extensions since we opened our salon. I love their range. They have a wide variety of colours, from your traditional shades to funky ombre shades as well.
The quality of the hair is absolutely amazing. To this day, I have not seen or felt hair that feels so good and stays in great condition for many applications after you've bought the hair from Superior Hair.
Quality of the hair is just absolutely phenomenal. I have these in my hair now for 5 months on. The length of them is just brilliant. The shine, as you can see, is still amazing in there. Like I said, the quality is just amazing. 100% real human hair.